Hey there, welcome to my channel. This is my first video and I would like to read you a disclaimer. We are not responsible for your actions after you learn skills from my video. As this and all the other videos on this channel are solely for educational purpose. Remember, if you hack something without permission, you are liable for the consequences. In today's video, we will be diving into the world of web security testing by showing you how to download and set up Burp Suite, a powerful tool for identifying vulnerabilities in web application. Before we begin, make sure you have an active internet connection. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to port Swigger. Then go into look for products and click for community edition because that is free, and then you can either fill this up for your essentials and you get marketing emails and updates what is happening with Burp Suite, or you can just straight away go to downloads, which I'll be doing. Alternatively, you can visit the link that is mentioned in the description below. As you can see, there are different versions available, but for this video we will be focusing on the community edition. Go ahead and click the download link to get started. I won't be doing the download as I've already downloaded it. Once the download is initiated, you will see the installation file being downloaded. The download size might vary on based on updates, so it might take a few moments. Once the download is complete, locate the file. I know of where I have saved it, so I'll just directly show you where my file is. It is Burp Suite, which edition for which OS and the version. That is Burp Suite Community Edition for Linux, version 2023, third 9th of 3rd. So now let's open a terminal. We are actually in terminal itself, and navigate yourself to the browser, to the folder that you have the file stored in. As I have already navigated, I do not need to do it, but you can do it using CD. Just for demonstration purpose, I'll just navigate into the same folder. Now let's see what's the permission with the file that we have downloaded. As you can see, it does not have execution privileges, so let's give it execution privileges by chmod plus x burp suite side arrow. Let's see, after performing this, let's see whether the executable privileges are given to the file that we just downloaded. As you see, the color of the file has been changed, and it's given executable permissions. Now just run it to install Burp Suite. This would open the installation wizard. Following the wizard, you can download and set up the Burp Suite. Once the installation is complete, you will have successfully set up Burp Suite on your system. Once the installation is complete, you will have successfully set up Burp Suite on your system. Congrats. Just click finish. Now navigate to navigations and look for Burp Suite. Yes, you have Burp Suite. Just open it. Sometimes when you open Burp Suite for the first time, it gives you a terms and conditions that you need to accept. Once you accept them, the screen will be appeared in front of you. Click next. For this project, we'll be using a temporary project as we don't need to store any of the information. Click next, and we'll be using Burp defaults for the video purpose. Once you start, this is how the dashboard looks like. The main use of Burp Suite is using the proxy. I'll also show you how to set up the proxy. There are two ways. First is you just directly use the inbuilt browser available to you. By clicking on it, you just see the browser opening up over here. Any traffic, any messages that any web URLs or websites you request from here will be proxied through the Burp Suite. But I'll also show you how to set it up on a different browser. I'll be showing you on Mozilla Firefox. Let's go to proxy settings. Note this interface, that is 127.0.0.1, and the port number is 8080. Now navigate to your Mozilla Firefox, look for settings. Here you go, and search for proxy. Once you're in the proxy server, just look whether the click on manual proxy configuration, and this IP address should be same as the IP address from the proxy setting of the Burp Suite. As they are same in the given scenario, we'll just click OK. Now heading back to the Burp Suite, again to the proxy settings, we'll regenerate the CA certificate. Once you click on, you will be prompted that you need to restart your Burp Suite. So we'll click choose yes and then restart the Burp Suite. Yes, and let's restart the Burp Suite. Again the same process, next start burp. Go to proxy. Now let's navigate to our Mozilla Firefox and visit the website, that is 127.0.0.1 and port number 8080. You'll see a similar page. Click on the CA certificate. This will download the newly generated CA certificate. Note on the name of the file, that is CA cert1. Head back to settings and look for certificate. Click view certificates, then import, and the currently downloaded one is CA cert1. Let's open that. Once that is open, you will be shown a prompt, and trust this just to identify websites, as we don't use Burp Suite to send emails. Just give the permissions as required and do not open a vast surface for Burp Suite, as well as sometimes it might also have vulnerabilities. So just click OK by giving identify websites. Okay, close this. And now when you turn on your intercept and try to visit a page using Mozilla, for example, let's visit my own website, that is you are redirected to the Burp Suite to either you can forward the request or drop the request. There are multiple number of stuff that you can do, which I'll be discussing in further videos. That's it for today, and you have done it. You have successfully downloaded and set up Burp Suite, a fantastic tool for web security testing. In my upcoming videos, I'll have a deeper dive into Burp Suite, and by solving their academy solutions, I'll be giving their walkthroughs as well. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more such content. Thanks for watching. Happy hacking.